My name is Yeasin Arafat. Today I'll be presenting on tracking in immersive technologies and how it is shaping the future of human-computer interaction. Imagine a world where computers know what you want before you speak, even before you click, and also even before you think. This is no longer science fiction anymore. It is the future of immersive technologies. Let's move to the next slide. The evolution of human computer interaction. We started with a command line system, then moved to the graphical interfaces with the keyboard and mice. Later on, it goes on touch screen. Now we enter the era of immersive computing, such as smartphone. Instead of controlling machines are beginning to understand us. Let's move to the next slide. What is tracking in immersive technologies? It's usually eye tracking, facial expression recognition, motion sensor, biometric monitoring. Face tracking enables system to understand user in real time and adapt the experience dramatically. Let's move to the next slide. How tracking transforms interaction. Tracking changes interaction reactive to predictive with the anticipated user interaction, personalized digital experience, response to emotional signal. HCI become adaptive rather than static, increasing the responsive and the immersion more naturally. Let's move to the next slide. The role of interacting in a tracked environment. Interacting no longer relies only on manual input. Because of tracking, gesture replace controller, eye gaze select object, and the body movement navigate space. Tracking enhance the interaction, precision, and realism. So it's more realistic, more engaging. Let's move to the next slide. Question and AI tracked system. AI uses tracking data to manipulate context, automate responses, and optimize user workflows. These create conversational intelligent, the immersive system. However, the algorithmic bias and the behavior manipulation. Let's move to the next slide. Left side is opportunity created by advanced tracking. In supposed to be in education sector, VR simulation can adapt to student performance. In healthcare system, patient can be monitored in real time. In the training section, supposed to be military, they have the experience become more personalized. However, continuously tracking it's creating the actual upgrading system more and more. Let's move to the next slide. Risk and ethical challenges. Supposed to be have some loss of biometric privacy, also have digital profiling, all the emotional surveillance. This can be happen. Also the critical issue, who knows the immersive behavior data. Tracking expand technology's capability, but also increasing power of imbalance in the manual. Let's move to the next slide is real world example MetaQuest 3. Tracking capabilities, full body tracking motion, inside and outside, spectral tracking, hand tracking sensor, environmental mapping. Also, at the same time, it collects large amount of user data. Impact on HCI, controller fee interaction, improves the immersion, realism, collect large volume behavior data, which I told you. And it shows both the benefit and the challenges of immersive tracking. Let's move to the next slide. The future of tracking in HCI. The future immersive is a brain-computer interface, real-time behavior prediction, and the AI-driven immersive assistance. Tracking will be defined the next level of digital evolution. Let's move to the next slide. It is the synthesis interaction. tracking, and questioning together. Interacting provide physical engagement, and also the questioning provide artificial intelligence, the adaptive responses. Together, these forces create predictive, immersive, environmental, personalized, and digital ecosystem, human-machine collaboration, and will be the future of HCI will depend on how these forces integrate responsibly. Let's move to the next slide. Its conclusion supposed to be system is a predictive and the AI is context aware. The future of HCI will depend on balancing the innovation with responsibility. Thank you for watching. That's the ends today, and thanks all the references. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.